everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to model all of this. Now we're still gonna continue working on this, especially with the stairs that we created before. So now what I want is to maybe extend it a little bit, especially on this side. I want this grander entrance to have a nice looking stairs. So we're going to create the lighting that we have on this models. So I'm gonna select that, edit in place, and then we could create the void form and then void extrusion or sweep. So pick a path and we're gonna select this one, click finish, and then go right here and then edit profile again. And then from here we could create our void extrusion. So maybe I want 30 from the top, and then here I want it 20 by 20. And then we could just delete this, and we're gonna do it on three of this so that we could have a nice look. And then you need to click on finish and then cut geometry, and as you can see, that's looking like that. Now we need to add the paint before we finish everything. So actually let's just do this for now, and then we could add the paint later on. So click on the void sweep again, pick path, and let's choose this one, click finish, edit profile, and let's go down 30, and then right here 20, and then close it off. And then let's delete this, trim this one, and then click finish again, and then finish, and then cut geometry. And then here let's do it again, void sweep, pick path first, and then choose the profile. We have 30 here, and then 20 for the depth, another 20 here, and then 20 here, and then click finish, and then cut geometry, and then don't click finish because we need to set the paint again, and we have luminance. So just type in luminance and then click the ones at the back right there. And then once we're in Twinmotion, we will be able to set it with the proper material, which is a neon light, and it will look nice. And then go to part 1 description. So go to part 1 video of this series and go to description, and you will see 2 links, and then the second link will be the extra families, and you'll be able to download the lighting families that we have. So what I'm going to download is basically a spotlight face based. It's either one, so I have circle or a square. So I'm gonna download both, and then once you do, go to the folder, download folder, and then you'll be able to drag and drop. So here, just go to the location that you want to drag and drop it. I'm going to do a square base, and as you can see, I'll be able to add it on those faces. Also right here, I'm going to add it on this face and around here, and then this one as well. Also, I'll probably going to add it here as well, and then also on this side. And then once we do finish, you could just go to level 1 if you see it. So if not, go to the ceiling plan, and as you can see, we have those two right there. You need to undo those two surfaces, because this is an in place mask, and this is a regular floor. So you will need to add it first on those two faces, because they are separate or different basically. So here I'm gonna highlight both of them, CO, and then every 1000 I'm going to add it. You want to make sure CO again, and then click multiple. 1000, and then another 1000, and then we need to move it in place. Check it out here as well. We have something right here. Copy it, 1000, and maybe just two of them. And then here as well, we could do one more here, and then maybe just estimate in the middle, and then here as well, estimated that it's in the middle. And then let's go to level 2, because we need to add in that area as well. And then here as well, let's add 3 of them like we did below, and then just nicely put it in the middle, and then here as well. I think 3 is enough here, and then let me see how this one looks right here. I think it's better to just put it over here, and then like a L shape. So I'm gonna move it here first, copy, and then 1000 every 1000, so that everything will be easy for us once we're in Twinmotion. And then here we need to add same thing. That's because it's a different face, and then just copy 1000 again. Then I think that's good enough. That looks good. Next thing we're going to finalize and doing is, so let me just delete this one, is adding the side, the road and then the sidewalk. So we're going to add floors again, so ground, and then let's add in floor, edit, duplicate, so that will be 11, and then just add different kinds of concrete. So I'm just gonna duplicate this, and then here we could do the road itself prior to the sidewalk. I could just make it big, so 20, that's good enough. $20mm, that's good enough, so I'm happy with this. And then we have the grass here, we could add all over here, and then on this side as well, and even at the back. So what we could do is delete this part, add this one there, you can trim and extend so that we don't have those extra. And then here we could just trim and extend and click finish. And let's actually add on this side as well. So that's good, I'm happy with that. And then of course we need to add some sort of separation here as well, but let's add in the sidewalk. So let's add in another floor, edit, and then duplicate, and then we could duplicate this one as well, and then ground, and then we have to add this one, 2000, it's good enough. Align it, and then also on this side, edit it. I want the thickness to be 100 only, and then height offset is 100 from the ground. So that's good. We need to edit it again so that we could add in a fillet arc or a 1000. So that is good. We can click on finish. And then of course we need to add a little bit more. I'm going to add something here, but instead of adding it like that, I'm going to use model in place, generic model, extrusion, and then set it, pick a plane, I'm gonna add it here, change the material to a concrete material that we duplicate. And then let's copy this, click finish. This is just for separation. And then what we can do is we could add in a sweep, pick path, click finish, and then let's make our change the material to the one that we have. I think concrete aggregate 2 or 1, and then here we could create this 50. And then I want something right here like 10. That's good. And then I'm gonna trim this one, and then we're gonna fillet art this 20, and then this one is 75. That's good. And then let's click finish, and then finish. So that's looking good there. And then we have that change. And then let's do the other side. So we're gonna do the same thing. Create, sweep, pick path first. Look for this one. Click finish, edit profile. We're gonna do 50. And then 10 by 75. And then 20 for the fillet arc. Then clean up, trim and extend, and then click finish. And then lastly, on this side, let me just edit this. Pick path again. Click finish, edit profile. $50. $75 and 10. Delete these. And then 20 for the arc. And then trim and extend. And as you can see, we're done here. We can finish. And that looks good right there. We can even lower this. AL. just gonna increase it a little bit. So that looks good, right? So we're gonna stop here for now. Continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.